Hello, first graders, and happy Monday. Welcome to your first reading job of the week. To get us started this morning, we are going to remind ourselves about vowels and consonants because today, reading detectives, you are going to be looking for these vowels and consonants inside your words, and we are going to be searching for patterns. So, to remind ourselves, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes even Y. And the consonants are all of the other letters in the alphabet. So let's get started. Today we are going to be looking at syllable patterns. We have looked at vowel patterns before. We've looked at vowel pairs. We've looked at consonant buddies. We've looked at consonant patterns, all sorts of different sneaky ways our words can sound and look. So today we are going to be looking at the different syllables. Or pause a second. Do you remember what a syllable is? A syllable is how many vowel sounds a word has. So, we've done our names before, but you can clap the syllables in a word, you can tap the syllables in a word, however you like to do it. But the amount of syllables, the number of syllables, is how many vowel sounds you hear. Not how many vowels you see, how many vowels you hear in the word. So, when you see CV, we're going to be looking at the syllable pattern CV, because we know every time we hear a V vowel, it's going to be a syllable. So, we're going to look at CV words, or consonant vowel words. So, if we look at this word lady, I see that lady has a consonant and then a vowel, and then a consonant and a vowel. Do you see the pattern, boys and girls? So our words today will have a CV pattern, meaning that they will go consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. Sometimes they may even have one more consonant, but that will be how our words look today. So if I read this word lady, how many syllables are in this word lady? There are 2 syllables because there are 2 vowel sounds. All right, here is where we pause, boys and girls, and you go ahead and read these words. Look for the words that have the CV pattern. All right, now that you have read these words, I'm going to go through them with you. Lady, music, begin, behind, tie, siren, below, maybe, hotel, joyful, kindly, baby, daisy, hoped, cloudy. Did you spot some CV pattern words? And did you count some syllables? Let's look at this word right here in the middle, maybe. Clap the syllables with me. Maybe. How many syllables does this word have? It has 2 syllables because it has 2 vowel sounds. We see a vowel pair, this AY vowel pair, but it only makes 1 sound. So even though there are 2 letters, it makes 1 vowel sound. So this is a consonant vowel pattern word. Whisper read the sentence to yourselves. The tiger roared loudly. The tiger roared loudly. Whisper read the sentence to yourself. When will you begin to do your homework? When will you begin to do your homework? Did you spy a CV pattern word? A consonant vowel pattern word? This word begin is a consonant vowel pattern word. Tap the syllables with me. Begin. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. Even though it has another consonant on the end, it's still a CV pattern word. All right, let's take a look at our words to know this week. Number 1, loved. They loved being a part of the soccer team. Everyone had fun at the game. Brothers. The brothers are on the same team. Field. The field was wet after the rain. Field. Sorry. The girl was sorry she couldn't play today. Sorry. Only. The Reds are ahead by only 1 point. People. People were happy after the game. And most. The team cheered most for their coach. Most. These are your words to know for this week, boys and girls. You will see them in the story that we are going to read today. And your reading job for today, boys and girls, is to draw a picture that helps you understand these words. If you'd like to write a sentence to describe, that's all right as well. So our story for today is Winners Never Quit. This story is by Mia Hamm. And she is our author, boys and girls, and it's a very special author today because Mia Hamm was also a professional soccer player, a professional football player in the United States. Mia Hamm went from playing football to soccer at age 14. She became one of the best women's soccer players ever. She knows what it takes to be a good teammate. And a fun fact about Mia Hamm as well is she moved around a lot when she was a kid, just like when she was a kid your age. And she actually lived in Italy, where she first learned to play football. And then she moved back to the United States, where she ended up playing professionally, meaning it was her job. Her team even went to the Olympics and won a gold medal. So this is your story for today, boys and girls. It is a narrative non-fiction story. This is a story it tells a true story. As you read, look for a setting that is real and real people as the characters. Now, normally our real life stories don't have illustrations, don't have pictures like this. Normally, our real-life stories have photographs. But this is an exception. It is still a real-life story, even though the pictures are drawn. And the soccer player, the football player, Mia Hamm, she's the author. She wrote this story. I hope you all enjoy it. So these are just a few more pictures of Mia Hamm. This is her playing soccer, and this one down here is her and some of her teammates when they won a gold medal in the Olympics? All right, boys and girls, it's time to read. I hope you enjoy this story this week. See you tomorrow.